Hi, thanks for joining me. For today's episode, instead of looking for a new type of ice, we're actually going to be looking at a property of ice. I have reason to believe that ice is in fact slippery, and so we will be using this puddle ice right here. Puddle ice is a simple type of ice, but I believe it will work perfectly for our purposes. And some objects that I have gathered, and we will be sliding the objects across the ice to try to determine just how slippery ice is. Alright, so let's give it a shot. So the first object we will be using is this stone here. Let's see how slippery ice is. As you can see, the stone continued to slide on the ice even after I had stopped pushing it. That proves the ice is in fact slippery. The next item we'll be using is some ice itself. So here's the ice we will be using. Whoa! Did you see how far that ice slid? Wow. You know why? I don't know why, but if I had to guess, I would say it's probably because ice is slippery, and with two slippery surfaces, that's like slippery to the third power or something. Wow. Alright, so the next object we'll be using is this sweater. Let's see how the sweater works. As you can see, the sweater went nowhere. That's probably because sweaters are very warm and the ice is very cold, and so it sort of counters each other out, and there's no real slipperiness to the ice. The final object we'll be using is myself. Let's see if this is going to work. Here goes. Wow! As you can see, even I slide on the ice. Thanks for joining me.